Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video, and today is a little different. Today we're going to be solving the pyraminx Rubik's Cube. So you can see mine's already solved. So first off, you're going to want to just mix it up. Make sure you change the little end pieces. So now you're just going to mix it up. There's different techniques on how to solve it, but I'm going to be teaching you the one that I always use, and it always works. And this is the one I was taught by. Alright. So, first off, so you see, right, let me zoom this in. So you see this top square, and you see how the centerpiece is blue, and when you turn it, this piece should be blue, and that'll do this one and the red. So the next one, it's basically this step. You just want to make sure that this piece matches up with its color. So green on green, blue on blue, red on red. So the last one, so you just turn, and so it should be green, blue, yellow. Alright, so this next step, you want to make sure that, it's actually a little complicated right now. So what you're going to do is, you see how there's yellow here, here, and if I do, and if I see, so I flip that, and so now all three of these are yellow. So if I go to the red, flip that, that should be red, blue, yellow, green, red. So now this step is going to be the thing that helps you solve it. So what you want to do is, you see the yellow, so you put the yellow down like this. So now what you're going to do is, you're going to solve the yellow. So let's see, let's find a yellow piece. Yellow piece here, yellow, red. You go to this spot, you go over here, because it's a yellow red. So you flip it until the yellow red is here, and then you take this piece and you go up, and then now what you're going to do is, you're going to go over, so then the yellow red is there, and then you're going to go back down. Okay, so now you should have this, but keep the yellow down, because that'll get you confused if you don't. So there's a yellow here. It should be yellow, blue. So what you're going to do is, you're going to change it to the blue. Alright, so blue here. Same thing, you're going to go up, over, down. Alright, so there's one more piece. So, oh, yellow, green. So move it over to the green, up, over, down. So now, this wasn't as mixed up as it would be, but now, so you see all of the yellow is solved, and now you should have all of the colors matched up. This is easy because, well, this I didn't mix up enough, so basically what I do is just go over, and boom, you're solved. So let me see. So So this may be one of the scenarios that you get. So let me just solve that real quick. All right. So okay. So basically, this scenario, as you can see, there's a green, 2 blues. The next side, it's red, 2 blues. Next side is blue and 2 reds. So with this, here's a little hack that you can do. So you go down, over to the left, down, over. Oh, I know. Oops. Messed that up. So you go up, over, down, over, up. Then you're solved. So, do this real quick. Alright, so this is the second thing that you can get. So here's another little thing that you can do. So you see how there's 2 reds here, there's 2 blues here, and it's different here. So what you're going to do is you find the 2 reds and 2 blues, and you want to put the red first, because if it's going to the left, then you want both of them going to the left. If you put the blue first, you'd be going to the right, but you want it to go this way. So this is what you're going to do. You go down, up, over, down, over, up. There you go. Boom. So that was the main scenario that you'll mostly get, but you may also not mix it up enough and get the one where where it was just like this. It's just like this, and then you just go over. Or you'll get the one or you'll get this. So then you go down, over, up, over, down, over, up. Wait. Down, over, up, over, up, over, down, over, up. And boom, it's solved. So I hope this helps, and I'll show you a time-lapse video of me solving this Rubik's Cube. Now I'm gonna stop the video and do time-lapse. Okay guys, also one thing I forgot. So if there's 2 going this way and 2 going this way, you just make it up. You just say, okay, so they're both going to the right. So you go down, up, over, down, over, up, and then you should get one either going to the right or to the left, and then you have it, and then you go down, up, over, down, over, up, and there you go. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big fat thumbs up. That would greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video because, you know, all the cool kids are doing it. And also don't forget to hit that notification button so you never miss a video. I'll see you later. Bye.